You have a unique opportunity. You and I are living in the golden age of self-employment. Thanks to the online world, you can professionally market whatever woodworking you choose to create. And in many cases, you can sell your creations to a global audience. Sure, for large cabinets and furniture items, you're probably better off to focus your efforts on selling locally. But you can now dominate the local market just as well, with an effective online presence. Build an attractive website that displays your various products. Then do everything in your power to get your site to show up at the top of related local searches. For example, if you wanted to dominate in your niche, narrow your target search terms to what someone would enter in Google when seeking out your type of business. Then, add your city. For example, Custom Office Suites Columbus. Get this right, and your shop can be as busy as you want it to be. Rank for the most relevant, searched for, term you can find. And you will get more potential buyers contacting you. Consistently deliver quality products on time, and make every client happy. Let them know your business thrives on word-of-mouth advertising. And how you're always delighted to serve new customers. Whether you think you're ready to start your own wood shop, or not, I'm here to tell you that there's no time like the present. If you can't afford the space or machinery required, ask around local shops to see if you can do your thing in their space, for a reasonable fee. If you're professional and courteous and you don't take up too much space, this could work for you. I had several people rent space in my shop over the years, with mixed results. Some used the opportunity wisely, while others abused it. After selling one shop, I found myself on the other side of the fence, with orders to fulfill, but no shop of my own. Fortunately for me, a friend allowed me to use space in his shop, and I was able to create a run of Adirondack chairs, a custom kitchen, as well as a large bar for a local pub. I was also available to help my friend out, in his business, whenever he needed it. And this arrangement worked well until I moved on to bigger things. Use what you can, including any materials you may have access to, at a reasonable cost. Think in terms of offcuts of solid wood that could be used for various craft items, driftwood, mirror offcuts, and odd sizes of plywood. Often these leftover materials are merely taking up valuable space in neighboring shops. Put yourself out there and see what you can find. And be willing to make an offer on any materials you find that could be useful. Nailing down a few advance orders can give you a quick kickstart and get your business up and running fast. To get started, with an almost unfair advantage, be sure to click the link below in the description, and check it out. You'll be glad you did.